Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your text and highlight it in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this basic placeholder text, and I'm in the Edit tab, and from here, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can highlight it. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to add a solid color background or object. You just go into effects, go into generators, click on solid color, drag it over your text, and now that is done. Then you're going to want to, well, change it so that it fits your text perfectly, and then what you're going to do is click on it, go into generator, click the color, and select the color you want. Let's say I want this sort of purplish color. Then I'm going to go into settings, and what I'm going to do is go down to composite and click to add, and as you can see, it just went behind the text. Now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to crop it so that it fits the text as sort of a highlight, like so. It's a bit too tall, so let me just do that. Then I'm going to exit out of it, and let's say that is our highlight. Now what you're going to want to do, if you just want to highlight the text and make it have a background, that's about it. But what you can also do, if you want to drag the color over the text as if you're physically marking it, you can add a keyframe effect. You're going to go click on the text, or the solid color rather, then go down into cropping, and then as you can see, you have crop left, crop right. You can select whichever one you want. If you want it to go from left to right, you're going to want to use crop right. Now I'm going to make it crop it from the right and make it sort of this shape, and I'm going to click this diamond icon to set the first keyframe, then select the next stage or the next time by which I want this to be fully highlighted. Then I'm just gonna drag the crop right back to its original position, and as you can see, now that automatically created a new keyframe. And if I go from the beginning, as you can see, it highlights the text, but it's way too monotonous. It's not smooth enough, and to make it smoother, you just need to click on this here icon in the solid color. Then you're going to want to click on it and click Control A to select everything, and press this second icon, which is sort of a curve. And now as you can see, it made sort of a curve icon, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna elongate this a bit, or unselect everything, elongate this a bit, make it go further, and here you can play around and make it as long or as short as you want. But now if I play it, as you can see, it has this sort of, whoops, that went way too far. Let me just modify that to here, and along this axis I'm gonna draw it out a bit, and as you can see now, if I play it, it has this sort of smoother appearance. You can also click on this to modify the actual curve. I wonder what this is going to look like. As you can see, it does that, which is not what I want. But yeah, you can click on that to modify the actual curve if you so choose, like so. And let me see what that looks like. Looks a bit weird, but it is okay. And you can also click this node to modify it even more if you wanted to. For example, like this. Let's say that, and that's gonna go back and then gonna go over it. I mean, you can play around with it. That's pretty much the point of what I'm talking about. You can play around with it however you want. That is completely up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you highlight your text. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.